in the modern world plays a vital role in various aspects of our daily lives. And mathematics is a powerful tool to help us understand, analyze, and solve complex problems. And here are some key areas where mathematics has a significant impact in our daily lives. Technology and communication. Mathematics forms the foundation of modern technology, from computer algorithm to cryptography, and enable us to secure information, data encryption, and efficient data information processing, and empowers us to development of artificial intelligence and the machine learning.
Number two, finance and economics. Thematical models and techniques are essential in finance and economics. Institutions use mathematical tools to evaluate risk, analyze market trends, and make investment decisions. Concepts like calculus, probability theory, and optimization help optimize portfolios, determine pricing strategies, and assess market fluctuations. Number three, medical and healthcare. Mathematics plays a critical role in medical research, diagnosis, and treatment. It supports medical imaging techniques such as MRI and CT scans, and enabling the visualization of interpretation of complex anatomical structures. Mathematical modeling helps predict the spread of diseases, analyze clinical data, and optimize drug dosages and design efficient treatment plans. Statistical analysis aids in clinical trials and epidemiological studies, allowing researchers to draw.
Transportation and logistics. Mathematics is crucial in transportation and logistics industry. It facilitates route optimization, resource allocation, and scheduling. Algorithms based on graph theory, linear programming, and network optimization help optimize traffic flow, reduce travel time, and minimize fuel consumption. Mathematics also plays a role in supply chain management, ensuring efficient distribution, inventory management, and delivery logistics.
Energy and environment. Mathematical models aid in understanding and predicting natural phenomena related to energy and environment. So, mathematicals helps design efficient electrical grid, simulate floods, dynamic from wind and water energy, and develop sustainable resource management strategies. So, research and environment serves as a powerful tools in scientific research and development various discipline. It assists to the formulating hypothesis, conducting experiment, analyzing data. Mathematics modeling and simulating enable the scientists to explore the complex system, uncover patterns, and make a prediction, drive innovation, and advising scientific knowledge.
So engineering and manufacturing are two closely related fields that go hand in hand to produce a wide range of products that we use in our daily lives. Engineering involves the design and analysis testing of products, while manufacturing is the process of actually processing those productions on a large scale. So in the field in engineering, professionals use their expertise to come up with innovative ideas, drawing detailed blueprints, and using advanced software to analyze the design during and feasibility. So they are also into put consideration factors, cost, materials, and resources to ensure that the finished product satisfies both the customers and the manufacturer. So in manufacturing, the focus shifts to converting these designs into tangible products efficiently and cost effectively. The process involves various stages such as raw materials acquisitions, production, planning, and quality control. So the goal of manufacturing is to ensure that the final product meets desired quality standards and is produced within the stipulated timeline. So both engineering and manufacturing are essential pillars of the industrial world, and their seamless integration is what makes products development possible. So by harnessing technology and innovation, they pave the way for a more advanced and efficient world.
Medical and healthcare
Technology and communication. Mathematics is a form